Demon Electric would like to thank you for choosing the Thunderbolt. Our rugged fat tire bike is a great addition to any outdoor adventure. The Thunderbolt is an easy to use and easy to build bike. The bike comes 70% pre-built and only needs a few simple steps to be ready to go. Don't worry, even inexperienced builders will have no problem putting the Thunderbolt together. Inside your Thunderbolt box should be the following items: bike, a toolkit, left and right pedals, charger, and key for the battery attached to the handlebars of the bike. Using the 5mm Allen key, place the kickstand behind the metal flap. Make sure the holes match to the screws and tighten them with the Allen key. Using the 5mm Allen key, unscrew the front faceplate and remove it. Center and place the handlebar and put the faceplate back on. Adjust the handlebar to your comfortability and tighten the screws. Unscrew the nub from the caliper. Make sure not to lose the spring. Put the caliper through the hole in the wheel. Lightly screw the nub back on with the spring on first. Align the wheel's disc to the disc brake and tighten the nub. Fasten the wheel with the quick release handle. Unscrew the long bolt and nut at the front. Using the 5mm Allen key and the 10mm wrench, screw the headlight in. Twist with the Allen key at the front and turn with the wrench at the back. The pedals are marked L and R, left and right. Tighten the pedals accordingly. The left pedal inserts by turning it counterclockwise, while the right inserts turning it clockwise. Use the 15mm wrench to tighten them fully. Make sure you put the seat in tight enough so it does not twist out of alignment. The clamp handle twists for adjustment. Loosen it to adjust the seat and tighten it by pushing it in. Connect the connectors at the front of the handlebars. Make sure the two arrows on the connectors are pointing to each other to connect the battery to the bike. Cut the key from the handlebar and insert the key into the bike's keyhole above the battery pack. The Thunderbolt's lithium-ion battery comes 70% charged. You should fully charge the bike before the first ride. The battery can be easily charged while still in the bike or by removing it and plugging it in. When the battery is fully charged, put the battery back into the bike. The battery life of the bike is indicated on the handlebar screen. It's now time to use your Thunderbolt. Using the Thunderbolt is straightforward and easy. There are 3 buttons to assist with your ride. The power button, which also changes screens to your liking. A plus button to increase your bike's pedal assistance speed. A minus button to decrease your bike pedal's assistance speed. On the right side of the handlebar, next to the gear shifting, there is a throttle which moves the bike without the assistance of pedaling. We suggest that you begin your ride at a low setting and increase the pace as you become more comfortable on your ride. Demon once again thanks you for choosing the Thunderbolt. We hope you enjoy your ride.